Okay, I promised you a quick video. So today we have had a decent move up in the DAX. Looked really sloppy into the morning. A couple of big buyers bars, and eventually at about I think it was about past 10, 11 o'clock. If you look at the 10-minute chart, you get a nice push up. Get sloppy into the main Euro session. Pushes up, sells up, comes down into 11 o'clock. So half past 10, 11 o'clock is a good reversal time. So you get from 68 up to, here we are, just coming into 200. So taking a few quid out of that one. Also like the Euro Yen on a pullback. I think this Euro Yen is really getting set to go. We've got ECB tomorrow. Here we had a big push yesterday, which I missed. Looked terrible into the Euro session, and then it just, I think there was a gap. I think it was a gap fill. I can't remember. It just popped up within an hour. Just did an hour of running up into 200 from a low of 60ish. So amazing. So watch out for this support now at 145 or lower at 125, 130. What do I think the Dow can do now? And let me just switch the other charts a second. I accidentally deleted the video this morning, which is a great shame, and got a couple of nice trades out of the DAX. This is the Sunday range. So we closed on Friday at literally just on 12,000. We gapped down and then had this main support at 956. Okay, did a 161 extension on the 15-minute chart on Monday, pushed higher. Really sloppy day yesterday. You just had to short the high and sit in it to get anything out of that. But this morning we came down and we shorted back down as it sat on the Friday close, and here we are again. It's taken a long time to get up there, but nonetheless it has got up there. So pullbacks at the moment are buyable. Let's go to the Dow. I normally just trade the Dow at this point. So pretty similar story. Here's the range. I've done this from February 22nd lows, dragged it across to this week's lows, and so here we are peaking above this. This level is 580. 577 is the over weekend range, a Sunday range. So potentially pullbacks to 570, which happens to be yesterday's. It happens to be the London range this morning. It's a potential. We've got a gap up there at 24,880. So I'll be watching for this 570, or potentially all the way back down to 500, 540. I'll show you my 5-minute chart so you can see why. It's the London range. The 8 o'clock 5-minute bar is what I've got lined up, and that picks up this drop that we had on the back of the resignation from Trump's ministers yesterday and the trade war comments that just created this big drop. Okay, so the charts are really shaping up for a good afternoon, so let's just get ready. The data is extremely good that we've had on the US weekly, on the US jobs. The first bit of data to indicate what we may see on non-farm payroll on Friday, monthly jobs. So yeah, that's what I'm watching out for, and that's what I'm looking for. Euro US is just sitting up here. So this big push from 10, 11 o'clock yesterday. Otherwise, it's just still climbing high. with ECB tomorrow. So I'll be looking at what I might do is just spend most of my time concentrating on the press conference. So at the moment this trend line is holding and we could get higher. And that is the upper trend line. So if we come into 450 or 500 and sell, that would be a great place to get short. Otherwise, let's just see what we get. I'm not touching it at the moment. I did an overnight. It's showing I did a trade on this. That's really weird. I can't tell you why that's showing. Did I do one? Don't know. Well, I must have done a trade if it says I've done a trade. I got 20 quid loss here on a trade. No idea. So it was really messy. The main sessions have been messy. The interim sessions have been great. Well, the DAX short was great today, so that worked out well. So those are the levels I'm looking for. So mark up the London range on the Dow. Look for the 110 yesterday's close on the DAX if we see it, and just looking for some lower numbers on the Euro Yen with the potential for this to really accelerate higher. Okay, if you look at the daily chart here, that fibs is not drawn very accurately. Let me draw that again. It's got a lot of resistance, but this is a buyer's bar here on Monday. Hesitant yesterday, selling off, running a spike higher at the moment. So if we can get a drop down to 130 or lower, I would definitely be a buyer of that one. At the moment we're just well, that's a big ask. At the moment it's sitting up really well, so I'm going to have to look for a higher number if I want to get in this, I think. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing this afternoon, and then lining up the charts ready for ECB tomorrow. Alright, I hope that helps. See you then.